What if I told you that there is one force that controls everything in our life? Your success, your happiness, your relationship, all of it depends on one single thing. And no, it's not luck, it's not hard work, it's the power. Welcome you all to the episode 1 of our Power Book series where we are breaking down this incredible book written by Rhonda Byrne, The Power, into small episodes, and we'll discover how this power book can actually transform our life exponentially. So if you are ready, let's dive in. So when you start this book, there is one line written, it is the cause of all perfection of all things throughout the universe. This power book जिसमें पावर क्या है, what is that power, उसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे and we'll know that this is the reason of all perfection, of everything that is happening with us throughout the universe. Okay, so let's see कि power है क्या. So when you start this book, this introduction part, I'll be sharing the PDF of this book also. This time we'll be taking up this hybrid approach where I won't be reading each and every line. I'll explain each and every chapter. थोड़ा जिस्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे हर चैप्टर का, बट नॉट थ्रू आउट. सो इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में लिखा है, यू आर मेंट टू हैव एन अमेजिंग लाइफ, राइट? व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ? एवरीबडी हु इज अलाइव हियर are meant to have an amazing life, are meant to have everything that they love and desire. बट क्यों ऐसा होता है कि बस बहुत कम लोगों को वो ही चीज मिलता है जो वो डिजायर करते हैं, एंड देयर आर सम पीपल हु कीप ऑन स्ट्रगलिंग. व्हाई? सो देयर इज वन वेरी बिग रीजन बिहाइंड इट जो हमें समझना है थ्रू दिस बुक. See, when you wake up each day, you should be filled with excitement because you know the day is going to be full of great things. तो मैजिक बुक में जो हमने पढ़ा कि you are meant to have a magical day, you are meant to have all the great things in your life. तो जब आप उठते हो, every day you should feel that yes, you are meant to have all the great things in your life and your life should be full of gratitude. ठीक है? See, what's written here is the life of your dreams, everything you would love to be or do or have has always been closer to you than you knew because the power to everything you want is inside you. तो आपको जो चीज अचीव करना है, जैसा लाइफ आपको चाहिए, जो डिजायर है, आपको सब कुछ मिल सकता है बिकॉज द पावर ऑफ अचीविंग दैट थिंग इज इनसाइड अस. दैट इज द सुप्रीम पावर. और क्या ऐसा मैग्नेटिक फोर्स हमें यूज करना है ताकि आपको जो चाहिए वो आप अट्रैक्ट कर सको अपने लाइफ में, वो हम इस बुक में पढ़ेंगे. In this book, I want to show you the way to an amazing life. You will discover something incredible about yourself, your life and the universe. Life is so much easier than you think it is. And as you come to understand the way life works and the power you have inside you, you will experience the magic of life in its fullness. And then you will have an amazing life. राइट तो वो एश्योर कर रही है कि इस बुक में विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट शुड बी द वे ऑफ लिविंग आवर लाइफ. कैसे आपको लाइफ को जीना चाहिए, व्हाट शुड बी योर अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स लाइफ. तब आप देखना आपको जो चाहिए वो सब अचीव करने का पावर आपके अंदर है. It's inside you. Okay, so we'll understand how can we use that power which is inside us to make our life an amazing one, a magical one. So let the magic of your life begin. Okay, so today's video is all about what is power. ये power है क्या जो अपने अंदर है, जिस चीज से हम कुछ भी अचीव कर सकते हैं? It is the power of love. Love is that energy जिससे आप कुछ भी अचीव कर सकते हो. But wait, this is not just about the romance, but it's about the way of living. So love is the most powerful energy in the universe, and everything you think, feel and experience is shaped by the energy of love or the lack of love. So according to her, she says that love is the force that moves you. जिस चीज में भी आप लव नहीं दोगे, जिसमें आप फियर दोगे, हेट्रेड दोगे, वो उसी तरीके से ग्रो करेगा, नेगेटिवली ग्रो करेगा. एंड जिस चीज को आप पॉजिटिवली लव दोगे, केयर दोगे, वो उसी ढंग से ग्रो करेगा पॉजिटिवली. And that's why, we say that some people attract happiness, success, all the good things in their life, and some people always struggle in something or the other. So this is the power of love, जो अगर आप देते हो तो आपको पॉजिटिवली अट्रैक्ट करेगा, एंड अगर आप हेट्रेड दोगे तो आपको नेगेटिवली अट्रैक्ट करेगा और स्ट्रगल की ओर पे यू विल बी डायरेक्टेड टू. So you need to understand that positive thoughts and negative thoughts बहुत कुछ impact करती है अपने life में. So you should always try to talk about love, with love, and attract good things in your life only. Okay, so let me tell you a quick story. Okay, imagine two people who are going to give an interview for a dream job. Person A is a person who is a bit negative and is in stress. He has a doubt that he won't be able to crack it. उसे लग रहा है कि वो crack नहीं कर पाएगा, and this full energy of fear and of negative thoughts that he won't be able to crack it. Okay, and there is this person B who is very excited and full of confidence that he'll be able to crack it. This is his dream job and he'll do everything to crack this interview. So this energy is full of confidence and positive thoughts. So guess what? Person B is more likely to get hired because he is already very, very positive in his thoughts, and he will answer with full confidence because he trusts himself. So that is the power of energy in action. That power, that positivity you need to bring in your life if you want to achieve anything in your life, right? So what are the major takeaways from this chapter? Like how you can use the power. You need to understand that you are the magnet. Whatever you want, you can achieve. You are the magnet to achieve everything in your life. How do you start using this power? It's very simple. First is feel good on purpose. Whatsoever you do, whatsoever things you are about to do in every moment, feel the love, feel the joy, do everything with positive impact. Okay? Second, think positive thoughts only. Focus on what you want, not on what you lack. Focus on what you can achieve, not on your fears and doubts. आपका फोकस जब उस डायरेक्शन में रहेगा कि yes, you are going to do this, and वो आपको 100% मिलेगा. पर आप पहले ही डाउट से, फियर से उसको अप्रोच करोगे तो आपने ऑलरेडी उसको लूज कर लिया. ओके, एंड द थर्ड इज यूज ग्रैटिट्यूड एवरी सिंगल डे. The more you are grateful, the more opportunities will come into your life, and the more powerful your life will become. So the first chapter from this book, What is the Power, is all about love. Talk about what you love. You are the magnet. Attract only good things in your life. Okay, देखो negative thoughts, negative feelings life में आएगी. It's unavoidable. But आपको वो सीखना है कि आप कैसे उस negative thoughts को shift कर सकते हो into positive thoughts और transform कैसे कर सकते हो अपने life को. ठीक है? Talk about the good news of the day. Talk about what you love. Talk and bring what you love to you. Okay? You have an unlimited ability to think and talk about what you love. क्योंकि ये तो अनलिमिटेड है ना, आप बहुत बात कर सकते हो उस बारे में. जितना आप अच्छी चीजों के बारे में बात करोगे वो अट्रैक्ट होकर आपके लाइफ में आएगा. सो लव, बिकॉज व्हेन यू लव, you are using the greatest power in the universe. So spread love, spread kindness, and see how your life gonna transform. So now I have a challenge for you. Comment below one thing about your life that you love right now. Okay, and start spreading the power together. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the further episodes, and do share with your family and friends so that we can spread this power together worldwide. And stay tuned and share with your friends, because in the next episode we will be talking about the power of feelings, how our emotions, how your emotions can literally shape your reality. Okay, so see you soon. Thank you.